If you're taking GCSE or A-Level exams in the summer of 2022, then you need to know about something called advanced information. So in this video, I'll explain what advanced information is and how you can use it to help you next summer. It's been a really tough time recently for students, particularly existing Year 11s and Year 13s. So to help students whose education has been disrupted, the government have told exam boards to provide some special exam guidance for 2022, and this guidance is called Advanced Information. The purpose of Advanced Information is to help communicate to you and your teachers some, but not all, of the aspects of your GCSE and A-Level specifications that are going to be assessed in 2022. And I stress some, not all. I'll come back to that shortly. So why is Advanced Information being provided? Well, as it stands, for nearly all exams in 2022, GCSE and A-Level, there won't be any changes or modifications to the structure of the papers. There will be a few subjects where there are some changes like that, but for most, no change. So, for example, no changes to how many papers you sit, how many questions are set, how many marks for each question, and also how your answers will be assessed. Now, in many ways, that's a good thing, since the exam papers you'll sit will look just like the ones that have been set in previous years. So you'll be able to use past papers really effectively, and they're a great way to get used to the format of the papers and develop your exam technique. Instead, Advanced Information is intended to help you focus some, but not all, your revision on some key topic areas and themes. So how's it going to work? Well, each exam board will provide advanced information in different ways, and it's going to vary by subject. The exam boards are required to publish the advanced information for all of your subjects by the 7th of Feb 2022. My guess is it will be a few days earlier than that, but anyway, definitely by the 7th of Feb 2022. Now this bit is really important. Advanced information is intended to support your revision and to help your teachers structure their lessons once the course specification has been completed and you are into revision mode. Advanced information is not designed to tell you which questions will appear in the exam papers. In fact, the exam boards have to make sure that the information does not allow students to question spot and use pre-prepared and memorised answers. So, when should advanced information be used? Well, you'll be able to use it as soon as it's released. Once the information is available, you'll be able to see, along with your teachers, which parts of your specification are worth the most focus. But don't forget, advanced information won't necessarily be the same and in the same format for all your subjects. So for example, in some subjects you might be told what the topic focus is going to be for the high mark or the high tariff questions. And other topics might be examined for lower mark questions. If your subject has quantitative skills like economics or business or psychology, you might be told which quantitative skills will be examined. So the key will be to listen to your teachers and take their advice on how best to respond to the advanced information for your subject and your exam board. Of course, all the Tutor to You subject teams will be looking at how we can help you make the most from advanced information. For example, by focusing on it in our free live stream sessions next term, and also embedding the advanced information in our Grade Booster cinema workshops and online on-demand courses. So for now, the best approach is to continue to study hard, complete each of your courses, and don't wait until the 7th of Feb 2022 before getting down to some serious, consistent study and revision. Study hard, safe in the knowledge that the advanced information next term will be a really useful way to focus your revision before the summer exams. If you've got any questions about advanced information, feel free to pop them into the comments box below. We'll do our best to answer them. And as soon as all the exam boards have linked to the advanced information, we'll post a video update. So be sure to subscribe to this channel right now so that you get an alert once that information is released. And if you've made it this far, well done, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll meet again soon at one of our live stream sessions. Cheers.